Thank you for choosing this guided meditation for mental strength. This guided meditation is intended to increase awareness of your true mental strength. Use this meditation when you experience a lack of confidence, insecurity, self-doubt, and feeling inadequate. Subscribe if you enjoy this video and wish to receive more positive meditations, affirmations, and healing tools weekly for living your best life. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. We appreciate your presence and support. If you need assistance amplifying your meditation sessions, check out the products on the screen with the links in this video description below. If you wish to start meditation and skip the remainder of the introduction, you can do so with the timestamp presented on screen. We recommend using this meditation 2 times a day for 21 days for best result. Make sure you are in a quiet space without distractions. Choose your position of comfort. You can sit in a chair, easy pose, any lotus position, or lie down. Focus more on comfort than perfection. Use headphones to maximize your experience. You may keep your eyes open or close them for best effect. Take a moment to simply pay attention to your body and how it feels. Just relax. Allow yourself to be. Let your body soften. Notice your breathing and how it happens naturally. Notice the rise and fall of your chest and stomach as you breathe in and release. Feel the air cool your nose and throat as you inhale. Feel it warm your chest as you release. Gently take a deep breath in, 2, 3, 4. Release, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Release, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Release, 2, 3, 4. Last 1, 2, 3, 4. Release, 2, 3, 4. Feel yourself become even more relaxed, becoming more connected to the surface that supports you, letting you know you are here and you are safe. Mentally scan your body for tension, starting with your feet, moving through your legs, up to your hands, arms, shoulders, neck, face, and jaw. Feel your body become heavier and more relaxed. Allow your mind to do what it does naturally. Let random thoughts and feelings flow through you and away from you. Stay present and still in this moment. Mental strength is not about controlling your thoughts and feelings. It's more about controlling what thoughts and feelings you give energy to. Negative thoughts and feelings are nothing and mean nothing without your energy, action, and the power you give to them. They only do as much harm as you allow them to. Regardless of the external chaos, chaotic thoughts and feelings, remember that you are an extension of the divine creator, that you possess the free will, accountability, and power that allows you to enter dark places and take yourself out of them. Think of your mind as a hard drive. Whatever you allow to enter, stay, and give energy to will remain and flourish. Whatever you decide to delete and take energy from will eventually diminish and become obsolete. Remain vigilant, patient, and consistent with programming your mental for positivity. Now, imagine a situation where you felt weak and powerless. Now, imagine a different, more positive outcome of this situation where you are aware of your strength and power. Repeat the following affirmations aloud or in mind. I am the master of my mind. I am the ruler of my life. I am in control of my mind. I have self-control. I hold myself accountable and responsible for myself. Now, take a moment to absorb and reflect on this. Keeping this power and positive energy, slowly counting from 5 to 1, bring yourself out of meditation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes, gently stand and shake it out if need be. We appreciate your presence and allowing yourself the opportunity to explore. We are extremely grateful for you and speak love, happiness, good health, and abundance into your being. If you've made it to this point and enjoyed this meditation, like, share, and comment with a brain emoji. Subscribe and click notifications for meditations, affirmations, and healing tools weekly. If this guided meditation has made a positive impact in your life today, please consider donating to Journey into Positivity in this video description below. Come back for more healing, enlightenment, and positive transformation. Until next time, be positive.